How to quickly find a boyfriend. Do you need a date for the next school dance? Or perhaps you'd like to bring your partner along to a family gathering. You may feel that you need a boyfriend right away for a number of reasons. Luckily, there are several ways to meet a nice guy and begin dating him in a short period of time. It's important to patiently wait for a good person to enter your life. 1. Define your priorities. You might be expecting a big event that makes you feel as though you need a boyfriend immediately. Yes, having a prom date will be fantastic, but keep in mind that you don't want just any boyfriend. Make a list of your top dating priorities. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 2. Be outgoing. If you want to meet a boyfriend quickly, you must be ready to engage in conversation. Be sociable by practicing. When trying to connect with someone, having this quality is beneficial. 3. Seek help from your buddies. When looking for a new partner, your social network might be a valuable resource. Try asking your friends for help. Also, don't forget to write down the deadline. 4. Make use of social media. You probably have multiple social media accounts if you're a young, sociable individual. Use technology to your advantage if you can. On a number of platforms, you can get in touch with someone you already know. 5. Socialize. You must make an effort if you want a boyfriend quickly. As a result, you must be a little bit more social. Make an effort to accept each invitation. 6. Increase your self-confidence. You'll need to put some work into finding the perfect individual if you want to meet a guy soon. Since confidence is one of the most appealing qualities that men look for, showing your self-confidence is one of the best methods to attract someone. Improve your confidence by taking some action. It's more likely that other people will like you if you like yourself. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.